Underground cable installation, the power of horizontal directional drilling. Underground cable laying is a critical process for modern infrastructure, providing essential services like power, telecommunications, and data connectivity. Traditional trenching methods, while effective, often involve significant surface disruption, impacting traffic flow, landscaping, and potentially damaging existing utilities. Horizontal directional drilling, HDD, offers a compelling alternative, minimizing these disruptions and providing a more environmentally friendly approach. This article explores the HDD method, its advantages, process, and diverse applications. What is horizontal directional drilling? Horizontal directional drilling is a trenchless technique for installing underground utilities, including cables, conduits, and pipes. Unlike traditional trenching, HDD involves drilling a shallow, curved path beneath the surface, allowing for the installation of utilities without extensive excavation. This technique is particularly valuable for navigating obstacles like roads, rivers, railways, and environmentally sensitive areas. The method utilizes a surface-mounted drill rig capable of precise steering and tracking, ensuring accurate placement of the utility. Advantages of HDD for cable installation. HDD offers a multitude of benefits compared to conventional trenching. Minimal surface disruption. The trenchless nature of HDD significantly reduces the need for excavation, preserving existing infrastructure, landscapes, and traffic flow. This minimizes disruption to daily life and reduces the need for extensive restoration. Environmental protection. HDD minimizes land disturbance, reducing soil erosion, preserving vegetation, and protecting water bodies from contamination. This makes it an ideal choice for environmentally sensitive areas. Cost effectiveness. While the initial setup costs for HDD can be higher, the long-term cost savings can be significant. Reduced restoration work, shorter project timelines, and minimized traffic disruption contribute to overall cost effectiveness. Enhanced safety. Reduced excavation minimizes the risk of damaging existing underground utilities, leading to a safer working environment for construction crews and the public. Flexibility and adaptability. HDD can navigate complex terrains, including curves and obstacles, making it suitable for urban environments and challenging landscapes where traditional trenching would be impractical. Faster installation. HDD can often complete installations more quickly than traditional methods, especially in congested urban areas, leading to faster deployment of essential services. Reduced risk of erosion. With minimal surface disturbance, the risk of soil erosion and sedimentation is significantly reduced, protecting the surrounding environment. The HDD process, a step-by-step guide. The HDD process involves a series of carefully planned and executed steps. Planning and surveying. A thorough route survey is conducted to assess the terrain, identify existing utilities, and plan the optimal drilling path. This crucial step ensures regulatory compliance and minimizes the risk of encountering unforeseen obstacles. Site preparation. Entry and exit points for the drill are prepared. These access points serve as the starting and ending points for the drilling operation. Equipment and materials are mobilized to the site. Pilot hole drilling. A small diameter pilot hole is drilled along the planned route using a specialized drill bit attached to flexible drill rods. The drill head is equipped with a guidance system, allowing for real-time monitoring of its position and depth. Reaming. The pilot hole is enlarged to the desired diameter using a reamer, a larger drilling tool. This process prepares the hole to accommodate the cable or pipe. Pullback. The cable or pipe is attached to a pulling head and pulled back through the enlarged hole to the entry point. This step requires careful coordination to ensure smooth and damage-free installation. Final checks and restoration. After the cable is installed, final checks are conducted to verify proper placement and functionality. The work area is cleaned up, and any minor surface disturbances are restored. Diverse applications of HDD. HDD is a versatile technique used to install a wide range of underground utilities, including fiber optic cables, essential for high-speed data transmission. Fiber optic cables are commonly installed using HDD for telecommunications and internet services. Electrical power cables. HDD is frequently used for installing both low and high voltage underground power lines. Telecommunication cables. This includes various types of communication infrastructure, such as copper coaxial cables. Water and sewer pipes. While not cables, HDD is also utilized for installing pipelines for water and wastewater services. Gas lines. HDD is a preferred method for installing natural gas lines due to its minimal environmental impact. Traffic control system cables. HDD can be used for installing cables for traffic signals, street lighting, and other municipal infrastructure. Conclusion. Horizontal directional drilling has revolutionized underground cable installation, offering a less disruptive, more environmentally friendly, and often more cost-effective alternative to traditional trenching. Its versatility and adaptability make it a preferred method for a wide range of applications, contributing to the development of modern infrastructure while minimizing its impact on the environment and surrounding communities. As technology continues to advance, HDD is likely to play an even greater role in shaping the future of underground utility installations.